Number 1. 2001 Chevrolet S10, price $9,400. This truck is a well-maintained pickup that combines dependable performance with tasteful performance-oriented upgrades. It has traveled approximately 142,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 4.3-liter V6 Vortec engine paired with a desirable 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in blue with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered truck has been garage-kept, helping preserve its overall condition. The truck features a lowered stance with a performance suspension setup for improved handling and a more aggressive appearance. Additional exterior enhancements include the original aluminum wheels, a rear roll pan, a cowl induction hood, and an aluminum front grille. Performance has also been upgraded with a Flowmaster exhaust system, a KN air filter system, and a Jet Performance throttle body, providing enhanced airflow and a more responsive driving experience. Number 2. 1999 Ford Ranger, price $6,300. It has been driven approximately 65,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck features a striking burgundy exterior paired with a clean tan interior, giving it a classic and well-maintained appearance. Under the hood, it is powered by a professionally built 351 Windsor engine stroked to 425 cubic inches, complemented by a comp cam, a BM shifter, MSD ignition system, dual electric cooling fans, and numerous additional performance upgrades. Despite its high-performance build, this Ranger runs and drives exceptionally well with no known mechanical issues. The air conditioning blows cold, and it has been fitted with brand new tires, making it ready for immediate use. The vehicle is fully documented with 3 binders of maintenance records and upgrade receipts, reflecting the extensive care and attention it has received throughout its ownership. Number 3. 2001 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,200. This truck is powered by its original 5.3L V8 engine, which has not been swapped and has been upgraded with a BTR camshaft for improved performance. It has 220,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck features a brown exterior with its original factory paint and a gray interior, maintaining much of its original character. It runs on gasoline and comes with the original factory stereo. Additional highlights include a rebuilt transmission paired with a 2,800 to 3,200 revolutions per minute stall torque converter, a Posey rear end for enhanced traction, and a fully functional air conditioning system. The truck is reported to be in good condition overall, has a clean title, and has been well maintained while preserving many of its original components. Number 4. 1994 Ford F-150, price $6,495. The truck is a classic full-size pickup that offers dependable V8 performance and timeless styling. Powered by a 5.0-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it provides a smooth and confident driving experience. This example has traveled approximately 137,000 miles and runs on gasoline. Finished in a gray exterior with a matching gray interior, the truck has been well maintained for its age. It features power windows and power door locks, adding convenience to its classic design. The interior has been kept in good condition, while the wheels and tires are in great shape, making it ready to drive and enjoy. Overall, this F-150 is a solid old-school truck that serves as an excellent candidate for restoration, customization, or simply continued daily use. Number 5. 2002 Ford Ranger, price $9,750. Clean and well-maintained pickup truck that offers dependable performance and a comfortable driving experience. It has 93,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a reliable 3.0L V6 OHV gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The truck features a sleek black exterior complemented by a clean gray interior, both of which have been well cared for. It comes with a clean title and is reported to have no mechanical issues, making it ready for its next owner. The exterior has been treated to a fresh new paint job, giving the truck an attractive appearance, while the interior remains in excellent condition. Additional highlights include a cold air conditioning system, stylish wheels with good tires, and an overall well-kept condition that reflects careful ownership. Number 6. 1998 Ford F-150, price $5,999. This truck is equipped with a dependable 4.6L V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission and has 192,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a striking red exterior with a clean gray interior, this gasoline-powered pickup has spent its life as a Florida truck, resulting in a rust-free body and well-preserved condition. The air conditioning is fully functional, adding to the overall comfort of the vehicle. It runs and drives great, with the engine and transmission performing as they should. Overall, this F-150 has been well maintained and remains in clean condition, making it an excellent option for anyone seeking a reliable, durable, and capable full-size pickup for everyday driving, work, or weekend projects.
Number 7.
2001 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,500. This truck is powered by a reliable V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, both of which are reported to be in excellent working condition with no known mechanical issues. The truck has 183,000 miles on the odometer and features a gray exterior with a matching gray interior, both of which have been kept clean and well maintained. According to the owner, the vehicle starts easily, runs strong, and drives smoothly without any mechanical problems or warning lights illuminated on the dashboard. Both the air conditioning and heating systems are fully functional, providing comfort in all seasons. The truck is also equipped with a set of new tires, adding to its overall road readiness and reliability. The interior is clean and well cared for, while the exterior presents nicely for its age.
Number 8.
1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,500, a well-maintained, rust-free pickup powered by the reliable 5.7L Vortec V8 engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Finished in white with a gray interior, it has 209,000 miles and runs on gasoline. The transmission has been rebuilt with a new torque converter, and the brakes were replaced about 10,000 miles ago. Within the past year, it has received new tires, a new battery, a high-torque starter, a new belt, a complete Flowmaster exhaust with catalytic converters, a new headliner, headlights, taillights, a new bed cover, and an upgraded radio with new speakers. It has been used as a daily driver, runs and drives great with no known issues, and features cold AC and a good heater.
Number 9.
1994 Ford F-150, price $3,500, powered by a dependable 4.9L inline-6 gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. It has 175,000 miles on the odometer and features a gray exterior complemented by a burgundy interior. The truck comes with a clean title in the owner's name and is equipped with a brand new set of tires that have only approximately 200 miles of use, providing plenty of tread life. The truck starts and runs, but the engine has a noticeable knocking sound and begins to overheat after running for a period of time. The air conditioning is currently not functional, however, all of the original AC components are still installed, making it a good starting point for anyone planning to restore the system. Aside from these known mechanical issues, the truck remains a solid platform for restoration, repair, or use as a dependable project vehicle.
Number 10.
1990 Dodge Dakota, price $3,300. It has approximately 300,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck features a clean white exterior paired with a blue interior and is powered by a gasoline engine. Several important maintenance items have recently been completed, including the installation of a new battery, new tires, new brakes, and a new fuel pump. It has also received a fresh oil change and a transmission flush to help keep it running smoothly. The vehicle successfully passed its smog inspection on June 26, 2026, and the registration has been paid through June 2027. It comes with a clean title, which is in the current owner's name, making the transfer process straightforward.